Peace. One time for the one time, man. Like I told y'all the other day, I'm fucking with Rome Streets and Ransom, man, for these past couple of days, because they make me tap in, man, with the beat selection, the bars. It gives me that New York feeling, you know, like, when, you know, make me want to be creative, make me want to rap again, hard. So this is Rome Streets on I-95. This is what New York's supposed to sound like. That's what I'm going to say. Let's go, man.
Elevated from dirty cash off sniff packages, contraband in my kitchen cabinet, throw my palm in my hand in the midst of savages. You niggas average, I know niggas who played the app is rich. I also know a plug who hit a rocket, now he on some addict shit. Living fast, I had your girl selling ass in a Radisson. I know God forgiving me for all my sins and challenging. My pen hit the pad as Iron Mike when he jabbed your chin. And right hook your eye slime, you never had a win. Fools focused on the frame too much and dead out of picture. Today I'd rather be Elon Musk than Guy Fisher. But coincide with small-minded niggas. Peons possess piss-poor thoughts I'm not aligning with you. Quote my lines like Quran scriptures and overdose like fentanyl in the heroin mixture. What the fuck you thought? Live from New York, we're coming up a sport. My jump shot was selling 8 balls on a basketball court. Made a play, that shit changed, switch lanes. The critically acclaimed name, and you ain't bust a move, you still a shit stain. Got witty, unpredictable talent, a natural game, accurate aim. Clap at your album cover at the range. All these niggas weak and washed up and they don't rap the same. All my shit is dope before you take a listen, tap your bang. Fuck state greens and federal tans. I'd rather be draped head to toe with Dapper Dan, that's the plan. Long way from dropping drugs in a junkie's hand. I did that shit for survival, fuck you don't understand. That ain't your fam if your man's moving underhand. Was in between a record deal and a bank scam. Either way it go, I'm paid for show. When I display the flow, it's free bass smoke on your radio. You got finesse, the eyes ain't open, you couldn't see the scandal. Skated off with the paper, the scam was planned through. But do you believe in the cross, Corona, brew, Hadia candles? Count all of your blessings before the reaper jam you. Bullets ain't got no name, my gun said Glock above the handle. Pig said freeze, I would've ran too. I had to dip. The cash I sold Paul came before my life was fabulous. Turned my street dreams to reality, I was adamant. It should be different if the rotten apple went to Adam's lips. The Eve slid off with the snake in the tree, I had a kid. I found gold on a cold road in Los Angeles. Streets left me scarred, $100 bills as bandages. Plan to build wealth with the bold brothers I banded with. Went from jail ID to my name on the tour laminate. Evolved to a star. Why these goofy niggas trying to duplicate who we are? Never catch up, I'm way too far, nigga. Fuck out it.
Let's go. One hand wash the other and they both wash the face. Wow, I hope y'all like that. I'm on my Rome Streets and ran some shit hard, man. They got me, man. Salute to y'all, man. One time for the one time.